welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to play Nightrider by Arizona Zervas. So we have to keep on the third fret, make it super easy for you guys and also to match up and make it accurate with the song. So just quickly have a look at the chord shapes, and then I'm just going to show you the basic finger picking pattern and also an optional strumming which you can just use if you don't want a finger pick, having problem with the finger picking. So let's get started. First chord is A minor, which is mute, open, second, second, first, open. Make sure you have the key on the third fret. Then a C major, mute, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then E7, a nice chord, 0, 2, open, 1, open, open. And then we have D minor 7, again a nice chord. The major 7 chord are actually awesome. So mute, mute, open, second, first, first. That's it. Now see the chord progression of the song. There's nothing much to worry about the structure, because it's the same thing going throughout the whole song. We have the intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, chorus. So it's the same thing going throughout the whole song, which makes it a lot easy. And the chord progression will be a A minor, D minor 7, a C, then I think no, I'm right. Then an E7. So back, 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 back. Now the finger picking pattern which I'm just going to show you is actually the accurate one, which is in the song. So just have a look. You know the chord progression, doesn't matter what the chord is, the pattern will be you pick the bass note. Like on the A minor chord I have the bass note, on the A string I play the A string, and then I usually do a slap. It's a bit loud, like the song, it's a bit loud. A thumb slap, this part, slap. So back. Try to hit it like this with this part so you get the sound. And at that moment, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna have this all together, these 3 fingers, and you're just gonna softly do one strum, likely on the B and the high E string. It's the way I told you before, is the way I'm just gonna show you is matching with the song. That's the reason I'm gonna show you how to play this. So we got, it shouldn't be loud. Nope, it will be. So it's a bit short. So let's play that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that we play the bass note, and then you play the G string, B string and the high E string. So boom, back, bass note. After you pick the G, B and the high E string, you just keep your hand on the string together, simulated. And that goes on for all the chords. For the D minor 7, we just change our bass note to the D string, and except that everything is same. For the C major, again on the A string is the bass note. And then on the E7, the bass note is on the top E string. So we got. Now make sure after you do the slap and you just play that, make sure to keep that a bit soft. Don't go. It should be like this. It's a very short one. So we got. That goes throughout the whole song. Now if you have problem, might face some problem in the finger picking, it's obvious. Some of you guys might face if you're new or not familiar with this one. So there's an optional string pattern. Here is it. So just see what I'm doing. I'm playing the bass note first. I'm picking the bass note with my pick, then I do a down, and then I keep my hand on the string. I do 2 muted down while my hand is on the string. So I got, and then I do a down. So down, down, up. Down, 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 down. And that goes for all the chord ones. So we got. It's completely out of tune. Now let's play. you need for this lesson. If this helps you out, make sure to drop in one of these music Fridays. So a lot of music to cover today, and if this helps you out, don't forget to drop in one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.